Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to quickly make a Tripadvisor account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is come on over to tripadvisor.com. Now on this page here, we want to click on the sign in button. There is no register or sign up button, so just click on the sign in button, and then this is where we can register. So we can continue with email or your Google account. I'm going to continue with my Google account. So what this is going to do, this is going to sign me up and sign me in at the same time. And just like that, you can see I'm signed in with my Google account. Then from here, we can go ahead and go to our profile. This is where we can change and edit our profile. So go ahead and click on edit profile here. You can change your name, your username, your current city. You can even add a website and a little bit of about you and click on save. We can change the image as well. So from here, we can go ahead and write your first review once you've created your account. So go ahead and search that restaurant you've been to or place and say I went to this pizza. I can click on them and then it'll say how would you rate your experience. Go ahead and rate it. Now there's some other good cool things you can do inside of your Tripadvisor account. You can obviously write hotel, restaurant and attraction reviews, upload travel photos, save favorite destinations inside, create trip itineraries, book hotels, experience and attractions from Tripadvisor, and you can also earn member benefits through Tripadvisor's reward program when available.